right, harvest number 1. Hopefully my ladder doesn't fall. Let's shake them loose and see what comes down. Are we ready? Got a few. Sorry. Two of them. Look at all the plums.
You gonna try one? Alright, well, we gotta check them.
Gotta clean them.
Spots and clean them off.
Getting our first. You wanna come look at this thing before we cut it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Look at it.
Look at it!
It's our first one. All right.
First, it kind of looked more bumpy, but now it looks
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There on that stem. Yep. Oh, it fell down in the boat. All right, here it is.
Yay! Look at that.
Yummy cucumber. There's a bunch more starting. I don't think. Do we have another big one?
No, I saw a good.
Oh yeah. Look right in here. I think this is gonna be our next one. Yep. You see this one, bud?
Yeah.
I think that one is gonna be the next one.
Yeah.
It's already growing, but we gotta get these bugs off of here because we got a bunch more. I know there's one there. There's one right here.
I saw one that's gonna be third.
Oh.
It's already growing.
Right there. It's gonna be exciting. And I think I saw the beginning of our watermelon. Yeah, right there. See that little ball? I think there's 2 of them. All right, we had to get all the kids back in, but I wanted to show you our next little harvest patch. I started, this is our kind of overgrown corner that we want to do something good with next year. I started trimming all this stuff back because I wanted to get to these. Look at the blackberries. And if you look closely, right over here, I have another bushel of them right there. And then I have more right there. They're growing on a wild yucca plant that was back here. And then look across here. Look at all those. All of those will be coming in. And it just goes further and further back. So, all back in here. I think we're gonna give a shot. Yeah, I just saw those. Look at all these. We have blackberries everywhere. And this is gonna be the year to harvest them and do some blackberry jam. All right, we picked them. Now we're actually gonna do something with them.
Yes.
You hear that rumbling back there? Can they guess what we're doing?
I think they probably can.
Okay. We're getting everything ready with the jars because we are gonna make some plum jam.
Yeah.
I also harvested a bunch of blackberries. If that makes it into the video. But if not, it'll be in the next one. We got all these plums. We're gonna make some jams. Are we experts at this?
No, it's our first time making any kind of jam at all. Last year when we harvested the plums, we ate some, and then I made like a plum crumble dessert with it. So this is our first time doing jam.
So right now getting the stems, and we're gonna get them sliced up, get the pits out of there, and then we're gonna measure how much we have so we know our sugar ratio. I think we're gonna use the pectin, and we're gonna get started.
So we ended up with 3 cups of plums after we cut them all up.
Take out.
Thank you.
And so we're going to do the 2-to-1 ratio. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of sugar. And we'll use only about half a pack of the pectin. And then stir it all up.
You need more water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's about half.
Okay, that is looking amazing, and we did the cold freezer plate test,
It's not running.
and we tasted it.
It tastes really good.
Yeah. So we've had these sterilizing. We don't know if we're gonna do the water bath. We're gonna see how many we have. I think. Tell me if we're wrong. We're new at this. This is our dumb backyard. This is where they came from, but we don't think we're gonna have enough to like put away in the cabinets for a while. This is more so just gonna be, hey, if we get 2 jars of it, great. We're gonna use it up pretty quickly. But if you did want to preserve this for a while, you're gonna jar it just like we're about to show you, and then you would take those jars and put them back in here, bring them to a boil. They say for 10 minutes. So I don't think, unless we have like 3, we might do one in the water bath just to show you.
Yeah.
Alright, first jar full. Alright, see if you can use our handy dandy flashlight that has a magnetic end. We gotta get the sealer out of that pan.
Yeah, I know, but using this to...
There you go.
Okay, cool.
Hold it
I
down.
don't know how hot it is. I'm now trying to find it.
It's not that hot. Alright, we are on. Oh, a little more. We're warm. What do you think?
It looks pretty good.
I think that came out really good. All right, what do you think?
It's good.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think next time I will try it with some butter. That's really good.
I'll bite you this.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad we made it. Okay, how is the cucumber?
It's really good. I was just saying that these taste like what I remember cucumbers tasting like as a kid.
Yeah, I even noticed. I was like, I feel betrayed and lied to by the grocery store. There's nothing like a good organic cucumber. You want one? You want a bite? Take a big girl bite.
Thank you.
You're welcome.